My name's Beau and I'm a third year furniture and product design student, currently working on my final project. It's based around my gran, who is fed via a feeding tube, and the equipment that she uses is really impractical and it doesn't look very nice in her home. So my whole project is based around making medical devices blend seamlessly into the home environment and making them feel like a more comfortable experience. So I've been watching my gran for maybe the last 7 years, kind of really struggle using this equipment and being embarrassed to take it outside of her home, embarrassed for people to come over and see it in her home. Currently it's all bright purple, it doesn't look very nice. And I thought there's kind of a really simple solution there to just redesign it in a way where it feels more like furniture, feels more like it can fit into kind of any home style, can be personalised and customisable so that these people feel more comfortable using these devices and don't feel embarrassed and feel kind of able to involve themselves in different social situations without that physical barrier that they currently have. It's my final project, so I wanted to try and utilise all the different skills that I've learnt throughout my time at university. So in doing that I made products which involve woodwork, metalwork and 3D printing and plastics, and kind of combining all of those into finished products. So I've been doing a lot of woodwork, processing wood from kind of raw material up into highly finished pieces which have all been cut out using the CNC. I've been 3D printing specialist components, so modelling them on a modelling software and then printing them out so that they fit kind of perfectly together. And doing some metalwork, which I hadn't done before, but that's been really enjoyable. Some pipe bending to kind of make these lightweight aluminium frames. So at the beginning you kind of have this really big plan and you have this idea of how it's all going to work. And I think naturally through that process stuff doesn't work and stuff goes slightly wrong and you have to readjust your process and kind of how things may be working. But then at the end, hopefully, it does all come together and you're able to rework things, and it's really rewarding when the final outcome is exactly how you kind of imagined it may be. I think the biggest challenge would be when stuff does go wrong, because it does. Your material might not arrive in time, a workshop might be shut, things that kind of out of your control. It might not go to plan, it might not go exactly how you imagined it would. So that's a big challenge, but equally here we are able to kind of dip into different workshops. We're able to access so many amazing technicians who have this vast extent of knowledge, who are able to kind of problem solve with you and work out the best way forward from that. First of all, I really like how it looks. I think it kind of represents my style and my design style really well. But also, it's a very personal project, so the best thing is being able to show my gran and she's like, wow, this is amazing, this is everything I kind of could have hoped for. This could be like the future of what this medical devices could be. So personally, that's the most rewarding thing for me, being able to go to that key user and they're impressed and they give you good feedback.